Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you why behind the scenes content is really, really good for business. So basically, you're probably thinking, well, what the hell is behind the scenes? Well, I love to use this with shops, with restaurants, with just about everyone because what it does is it turns your company from being a boring face of corporate hell to, oh, hey, yeah, we're a fun, cool, wacky company. Here are our chefs and here are our staff doing cool, fun things. It's really, really great because it shows your company in a very personable light. People like humanization of a product is really, really good. Humanization of a brand because people do not like boring AI. Right? They do not like it. There are a lot of people who do like AI, but they don't really connect with it in the same way as they connect with human nature. Smiling staff, doing the job, everyone happy, doing cool things. Having fun as a company is really, really important. If you're not having fun, you're in the wrong line of work. You got to have things that are, it's like you got to have people who really, really enjoy the job, enjoy doing what they do. And the thing is, by putting your behind the scenes stuff out every now and then and sharing that sort of stuff, I ran an entire restaurant which was struggling like hell through COVID. I ran them through COVID purely on the smiles of their staff. Here's the staff smiling, cooking up the food, having a good time, get a bit of video footage, put them up, watch them, toss all these things. This was an Indian restaurant, and they struggled before that, and they struggled for quite a while after that because they were in a really, really bad location, right? These guys you had to go really, really far out. They had to deliver over a long thing. It was not financially very viable for the restaurant to even survive, right? But the smiles of their staff got people in, right? Not with COVID because they were having to deliver to the houses, but when it comes down to it, it sold the product. That's the most important thing. And after COVID, yeah, it got people in, and you know what happened? Those smiles, the business was fine. People would come and they would travel a long way just because of the smiles of the staff, and them having a bit of fun and everything like that. That was a really good business strategy, and that's worked well for them. They've been doing it ever since. Anyway, you'll probably notice that a large amount of businesses already do this, and if you're not doing it yet, you should be, because it will help you. Anyway, catch you later. Hope this helps. Bye.